But only she is not enough. We need somebody.
Today we will share with you the story of the birth of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra and Samanta Slokas from the Stotra. We will start by chanting the Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Prarthana Sloka. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturabhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavignopashantayet Yasya Dviratavakratya Mahadishakya Parashakam Vikram Nikranti Shatatam Vishwaksenam Tamashraye Vyasam Vasishtanataram Sattaivotramakarnasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukadatam Taponidhim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasadupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanitaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Siddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Sri Vaishampaya Noacha Shritva Dharmana Sirishena Pavanani Cha Sarvakaha Yudhishthira Shantanamam Punareva Gavachata Sri Vishnu Sahasranama contains the 1008 names of Lord Sri Mahavishnu or Lord Sri Narayana. Every name of Sri Vishnu has a meaning to it. The phonetic vibration by chanting each name known as Nama and the chain of names known as Namavali leads to knowledge and wisdom.
Okay.
At the end of the epic Mahabharata war, Krishna was awaiting the sacred hour to depart his physical body onto the lotus to the feet of Lord Srimad Narayana. Yudhishthira, the oldest of the Pandavas, was desperately looking for answers to the matters relating to Dharma and Karma. Lord Sri Krishna, who understood Yudhishthira's plight, guided him to Bhishma to learn this precious knowledge. Bhishma was acknowledged as one of the most wisest people of that time. Lord Sri Krishna wanted that knowledge from Bhishma to be received by Yudhishthira. Bhishma was sharing his wisdom with Yudhishthira and Bhishma became Bhishmacharya. Sage Vyasa, by recording these wise conversations of Bhishma and Yudhishthira, shared this wisdom with all of us. दैवतं लोके किमप्येकं परायणं स्तुवन्तः कमर्चन्तः प्राप्नुयुर्मानवः शुभम् को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किं जपन्मुच्यते जन्तु जन्मसंसारबन्धनात्.
After meeting, Yudhishthira asked Bhishma these 6 questions. A noble person asks what is useful to all and not just for oneself. Kimekam Daivatam Loke, who is the greatest Lord in the world? Kimva Pyekam Parayanam, who is the one refuge of all?
Yudhishthira also displays the qualities of a true disciple, humbleness and respect for an acharya. Suvantanka Rakniyadmanavashima. By glorifying Buddha, can one attain peace and prosperity. Kam Ajjan Rakniyadmanavashima. By worshipping whom can one attain peace and prosperity.